Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore server configuration using Ansible playbooks, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by ensuring you have Ansible installed on your local machine. Open your terminal and verify the installation by running the command Ansible version. Create a new directory for your Ansible playbooks. Navigate to this new directory using the command cd your directory name. Inside the directory, Start by defining the playbook with the necessary YAML structure. Specify the hosts you want to target by using the hosts directive. Set the connection type to SSH by specifying remote_user. Add the tasks section to begin listing the actions to start with a task to install essential packages needed for restoration. Use the package module to ensure necessary software is available on the server. Next, create a task to backup existing configurations. Utilize the copy module to copy current configuration files to a backup directory. Now, define a task to restore the server configuration from a specified source. Use the template module to apply configuration files from your designated templates. Make sure to specify the source template file and the destination path on the server. Add a task to restart the relevant services to apply the new configurations. Utilize the service module for this task to manage service state. Once all tasks are defined, save the restore_server.yml file. Next, create an inventory file to list the servers you're targeting. Name this file inventory.ini. In the inventory file, define the IP addresses or host names of the servers. With both the playbook and inventory set up, return to your terminal. Run the playbook using the command Ansible playbook inventory.ini restore_server.yml. Monitor the output. Verify that the server configurations have been restored successfully. Check the log files or the service statuses to ensure everything is functioning properly. If any issues arise, refer to the Ansible documentation for troubleshooting guidance. Consider adding additional tasks for customization specific to your environment in future playbooks. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.